Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at that. That's actually really photogenic. Let me just step back slightly. So that's actually like a very photogenic shot right there. It's all these little fire escapes like that. And I'm gonna cross the street. So there's this little Pátio de Adolfo Loureiro. We're in a little Pátio de Adolfo Loureiro. And you can see all these kind of cool looking apartments everywhere. And these fire escape routes as well. So what we're gonna do is explore this little patio and walk down that way and show you some of these fire escapes and just the way this whole setup is all about. So stay tuned for Pátio de Adolfo Loureiro 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So Pátio de Adolfo Loureiro, you got all these fire escapes. So this one is just this little patio, and there's a street called Rua de Adolfo Loureiro. But this one is just a little patio. And then what's kind of interesting is you can see there's rooftops way up there at the top, and they just kind of hang off the, it's like a whole other world. If you get up on the rooftops and you can see the other rooftops, you'll see this little world of kind of cool stuff. Yeah, look at that. That's actually really photogenic. Let me just step back slightly. So that's actually like a very photogenic shot right there. Very photogenic. So this is this little patio. Macau is filled with these little patios, which is kind of makes the city unique. It's all these little fire escapes like that. And then you have these nice balconies as well. So I'm gonna just come on out. And this is this little patio. And you can kind of see the fire escapes as well. And then we're gonna see what all is around here. Looks like there's a medical shop and a coffee shop. Let me just kind of come around real quick. Yeah, that's a pretty cool looking street. Coffee shop. So let's come out to here. And then this is actually the main street right here. It has the same name, but you can also see some pretty cool little balconies everywhere here too. And I'm gonna cross the street. And I'm just going to try to give a little context to this whole neighborhood. So let me just kind of so it's basically kind of blocked by all these kind of blocky block style streets and apartments, but then that one right there has a little indent into it, so that little indent turns into a small little patio, which makes it a little bit unique because all the other ones are kind of perfectly square almost. So let me just kind of come down like this. And so yeah, that's just kind of indented in. Then we're going to come down this way. And then this street right here is named after the same name, Adolfo Loureiro. But now we're on it called a road. So this one's actually a road right there. So it says Strada de Adolfo Loureiro. You have more cool apartments up here. as well. And then I'm gonna come back around. So yeah, usually they're like these little blocky style apartments. And this little Estrada, to kind of give you a little bit of context to this street. So this is Estrada de Adolfo Loureiro. Goes down into this park, and I'm gonna go back to the patio in just a moment. And yeah, you got a little park where people can hang out. A lot more of these kind of blocky buildings, but then you have a park right in the middle as well. Okay, so we're gonna head back to our patio, and then we're gonna come to an ending in a moment. Okay. And so yeah, this is basically the patio Estrada de Adolfo Loureiro. And then we're just going to come back to our patio, and then you get another context of what this whole area looks like a little bit. So there's this little Patio de Adolfo Loureiro. And we'll end it right there. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la movida.